What is going on, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to install a Surron seat on your MX650 or MX500 RZR. We're going to be using my custom designed Surron seat adapter kit along with the beauty cover. You will have to purchase your own Surron seat separately, and my bike, as you can tell right now, it has the Honda XR50 or CRF50 plastics kit, which is what I'd recommend, but this adapter kit will work with the front stock plastics. It will cover up the naked area, which you'll be able to see if you don't use the beauty cover. And I'd recommend using a Surron rear fender, or again, if you have the CRF50 plastics, you'll get a really nice rear fender you can use. So let's go ahead and remove the factory plastics so we can get to installing the new stuff. The plastics are held in by just a few bolts. You want to make sure that you take them off and you keep the gas tank mounted to the frame of the bike. Now the first thing we're going to do is grab these side panels, and we're going to mount this to the bottom of our beauty cover. You can see there are the 4 mounting holes, similar to how the seat looks. We're going to go ahead and put those on, and then we'll get it on the bike. Now this is going to go right here. We're going to go ahead and bolt that in. And now with the front part together, we can put together our seat. Our seat has 3 different parts. These 2 are going to be for the rear section, and this one's for the front. The front simply goes on just like that. And then you're going to go ahead and screw on those 2 nuts. These are M6 size nuts, and sometimes they'll come with your seat. Sometimes you might have to head to the hardware store or look in your junk drawer. Those are going to screw down in place, and this is going to self-align to those 2 posts. And then the rear, it's kind of going to go like this on the bike first, and then this piece is going to clamp around it so that the seat is secured within the frame, and you can actually grab the entire bike up by this seat here. So let's go ahead, tighten these 2 bolts. And now what you're going to want to do is put this rear piece on first. Bring it over to your bike, and you'll see that the rear here, it's got lots of surface area on the frame. The front has to slide between those notches where the factory seat went, and then go ahead and shove it down inwards. My frame is painted, so it's a little bit tighter up here. And you see that there's a clip here. That clip is going to go on the right side of the frame. That way the seat cannot go backwards actually once it's installed. So get that seat on the right side of the frame like it is there. And now we can grab this bottom piece here. That one is going to go just like that. And then we're going to screw in those bolts. And you can see what I mean when I say that it sandwiches the seat in the frame so you can easily pick it up. And there you go. With those last 2 bolts tightened down, the seat is not going to go anywhere. But let me go ahead and install this remaining CRF50 rear tail piece. You could also do the Surron fender like I was talking about, but this one is going to match the rest of our bike. So let me install it really quick. And there you have it. The Surron seat install is complete, along with the beauty cover up here. I designed it myself, so I've tested it extensively. Like I said, you can lift this thing up by the back of the bike from the seat and dangle it, and I haven't broken it yet. It is 3D printed, but I think it's plenty strong enough for these bikes. And the front plate right here is going to give you guys plenty of room to cut out, mod, put any voltage display or switches that you want, and it fills this really ugly gap that you would have if you didn't have that beauty cover up there. So I can do some custom colors as well. If you guys want to do like a different color on your front beauty cover, let me know, and I will put a link to this kit down in the description. So if you want to convert your MX650 or MX500 to a Surron seat, you can do it yourself as well. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you next time.